Hi, my name is Luis Polientes, and this is my reflection about Filipino experience during the Japanese occupation. Number 1. The key event marking of the beginning the Japanese occupation in the Philippines were in the Japanese invasion and bombing on December 8, 1942, which targeted military sites like Clark Air Base, and the fall of Bataan on April 9, 1942, after months of piercing fights. If I were living in the Philippines during the Japanese occupation, I would likely have felt fear, anxiety, and anger due to the brutal condition, loss of freedom, and oppression. The challenges I would face, including constant fear of violence and persecution, scarcity of resources like food and medicine, pressure to cooperate with or resist the Japanese, and the emotional trauma with witnessing suffering and loss. 3. The video likely highlights several forms of Philippine resistance during the Japanese occupation, including guerrilla warfare, intelligence gathering, and civilian support for the resisting fighters. Number 4. At the end of the video, the concept of freedom is likely presented as a hard-won victory, symbolizing the end of suffering and restoration of the Philippine sovereignty. After years, the Japanese occupation, for the Filipinos who lived through this occupation, freedom was crucial, representing not only the end of foreign rule but also the opportunity to rebuild their lives, reclaim their identity, and restore their dignity. 5. The experience of Filipino during the Japanese occupation teach us its important lesson on resilience, unity, and the value of freedom. Filipinos demonstrate the power of community support, courage, and adversity, pride in cultural identity, and an enduring commitment to freedom. Their unit have brave helped them resist oppression, preserve their culture, and withstand hardship.